This is a tiny house with A-frame concept measuring around 7 and 9 meter, which also has a wooden hallway with measuring around 7 and 3 meter. And the roof material use a metal roofing, which is light but weather resistant, while the ceiling use white gypsum to give a spacious and comfortable impression to the interior of the room anyway. And the design of the openings, especially in the front area, maximizing the openings with a transparent glass material to maximize daylighting in the interior, which makes the tiny house energy efficient during the day. The overall interior of the room uses the dominant color white to give a spacious and bright impression to the room. In the kitchen area is quite simple with elongated kitchen table arrangement without any upper cabinets, but still maintain the functional value of the kitchen itself. The dining table area, especially the top table, use solid wood, which is quite solid, giving an exclusive impression to the interior of the house, especially this dining table area. Living room area is quite simple with a sofa with a capacity of 3 until 4 seats and a square table in front of it, as well as a fireplace to warm the room at night or in the winter. And the love bed is located at the back of the interior area of this A-frame house, with access to a spiral staircase as a consideration for saving space, so that is effective. But of course you need to get used to using this spiral staircase anyway, regarding safety when accessing the loft bed anyway. And the loft bed area can accommodate up to a queen-size bed with 2 nightstands or on either side. Of course, this loft bed area still has an opening in the form of a triangular window at back, which is able to meet natural lighting needs during the day. And this bathroom measures 2 and 2.5 meter, which can accommodate bathroom fixture in the form of a sink, shower cabin, and toilet. And there are openings in the form of bovens for air ventilation and natural daylighting. Even if this is just a frame tiny house, it still have dressing room with L-shaped table, so it will be a maximized function of this room under the loft bed area. And this is about the small storage of the space on the tiny house. And for the right side has cabinet on the left side of the access to the backyard of this tiny house. Okay everyone, thanks for watching this video. I hope you will get a lot of benefit from this video. If you wanna make your own tiny house or your own A-frame house, or if you wanna buy your new tiny house as well. So thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.